doing? I feel so pumped up during festivities. I just can't explain you. So there is Diwali, Choti Diwali, Bhai Dooj, and Dhanteras. So lot many festivities, right? And there is positive vibes around and feels great. The only sad part is I can't go home this time. Also, the amazing part is I got 2 days off from work, so there is holiday 2 days and Saturday, Sunday, so total 4 days. I'm going to chill and relax on Diwali. I took a poll on Instagram and you guys made it really tough for me. So I decided that I will combine, share with you options where to shop from this festivity, and even I'll show you few looks which I would style and I would love to wear this Diwali. If you are new to my channel or have not subscribed yet, then go right now, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications. As you all know, on major shopping websites there's this huge sale going on, and it is the right time that you grab the best deals on all the trending ethnic wear. So on Myntra I found this brand called Sojanya. So most of the pieces are around 40 to 70% off, and I think they look so amazing. I am in love with this green solid kurti. So you can style it up with some peachy or white straight pants, and some statement earrings would definitely amp up the look. Also, this orange kurta with ethnic red prints has my heart. So you can definitely style with red palazzos or any mustard beige straight pants would look great with this. Finish the look with some kundan earrings and bindi. I think that completes the look. Isn't it pretty? So here is tip of the day. After festivities are over, you can definitely wear these basic pieces to your work. Isn't it great? Also, I have come across this brand called Nayo. I have earlier collaborated with them, but I actually love their prints and cuts and styles. This palazzo sari is so pretty. I absolutely love this fresh prints in pink, and you can definitely wear it later on to any other occasions like be it wedding, mehndi, sangeet. So this is one of the best. Also, I have styled this white kurta and palazzo set with a pink dupatta. I finished the look using some oxidized jewelry, this kada and a nose pin. This absolutely looks fabulous for festivities. Like I have not overdone things, I would say. I am mentioning these brands because I absolutely love them. Aksh by Nidhi is another brand which I have shopped from, and also I have collaborated with them. So they basically come up with these super amazing fusion prints which I absolutely love. This black silver foil printed kurta is just perfect for Diwali evening look. Style it up with a pink dupatta and Kolhapuri sandals and you are ready. If you love to style some designer wear, then no worries, head on to Amazon's designer boutique. I absolutely love this A-line kurta from Global Desi. It's so simple yet it looks so festive. Just style it up with some temple jewelry or a messy bun with some flowers. I think that would look absolutely amazing. Also, there are multiple colors. You just check them out and pick your favorite. Ethnic cropped tops are so popular these days. Just wear it with a sari, palazzo pants or even a skirt and you are festive ready. I'm in love with this crop top in hot pink. This is so chic and so beautiful. I already added it to my wish list. Many times I have talked about slit kurtas, and this slit kurta is from Biba, which I am in love with. So I have styled it up with a white pants and these danglers, like I'm wearing it right now. So it's so comfortable and super festive. It makes you look taller and I'm in love with it. This floral printed kurta from Ajio looks fabulous. So I love this color combination of lemon yellow and this pastel turquoise. It's so amazing. You can just style it up with kundan danglers and you are ready for the festivity. I also love this kurti with voluminous gheras. It's absolutely comfortable. I have paired it up with a pink dhoti pants and finished the look with some oxidized earrings. Am I not festive ready? Here is everything I have picked and you can shop from this festivity, and I have shared with you my top styling tips. Most of the product links I have mentioned in the description box. Go check them out. Also in the comment section, don't forget to let me know which look and which style was your favorite, what you are going to shop from which website I have mentioned here. Before leaving, don't forget to like this and share it with your gal pals. I am wishing you an advanced happy Diwali. Have loads of fun with no crackers, remember. Bye.